Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection. I put it to Instagram, asked if you guys wanted me to do the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry, as well as the lip colors that came out with it. You guys, it was unanimous, picked the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection. So I'm excited to do that today. I went for a run, and when I got home, the box from ColourPop was sitting on my front door. I'm so glad that it got here so quickly. I just purchased it on Friday. I got everything in the collection except for the two highlighters. Those sold out so quickly, but I do want to swatch some of the colors, try on some of the lipsticks, as well as the lip glosses, and then we'll just jump into this eye look. So then you have the eyeshadow palette, and you have the princesses on the front of it all glammed up, and it's got Tiana, Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, Snow White, and Cinderella. And then on the inside you've got 15 gorgeous colors, as well as the signatures of all the princesses. So first I'm going to swatch the eyeshadow palette. So for the Disney Designer Collection by ColourPop, there are 6 Super Shock shadows. They come in this really pretty gold packaging with different colored stars on it. And then each of the shadows have the castle on the front. And this one is Under the Sea. It's a really pretty teal color. Then you have A Whole New World, and it's kind of a periwinkle purple. This is Be Our Guest. It's kind of a burgundy pink color. Then you have Almost There, which is kind of a coppery brown, and these all have a lot of shimmer in them. Then you have So This Is Love. It looks like a pink undertone. And then there is Heigh-Ho, and it is a silvery white, kind of a snowy white color. Okay, so for the Lux lipsticks, I'm going to go ahead and do the swatches on my lips. I'm going to start with what I think is the lightest color and go to the darkest color just in case they stain. Alright, so the first color is Ariel. It's more of a peachy nude. It's pretty. It's not going to be my go-to. I don't gravitate towards these color nudes. I'm more of a mauve, or I don't know. It's pretty. It's just, I don't know. It might grow on me. The next one is Cinderella. This looks more like a pinky, almost like a Barbie pink. I'm not normally a pink person. It's pretty. It's not my favorite, but it's what I would expect for Cinderella. Just a really pretty pink color. It's got kind of an undertone of, I don't know, kind of like a purple. The next one is Jasmine. This is a brighter pink than Cinderella. This is really pretty. I don't normally gravitate to pinks, but this is a very bright pink, and I actually kind of like it. The next one I have is Belle. This is like my type of color for fall. It has kind of like a, I don't know, it reminds me of like burnt cinnamon. It's just, overall, this is probably my favorite color so far. The next color we have is Snow White. This is the type of color I would expect for Snow White. It is a bright red, kind of like a candy apple, maybe? I don't think it's more candy apple. This is the type of color for Snow White. It is like a pure red. This is what I would expect. And the last color we have is Tiana. This color is beautiful. I want to say it's a little bit darker than Belle. It's in the same color family, but this is my type of color right here. For me, as pale as I am, this is what I would consider a vampy color, but this color is amazing. I will wear this all fall. I love this color. This, my friends will tell you, this is my type of color right here. And then we have the Ultra Glossy Lips. So I did decide to swatch the Ultra Glossy Lip on my hand because the lipsticks stain the crap out of my lips. And I don't think it's going to do them justice. But this top color right here is Bibbidi. It's clear with flakes of gold. Then you've got Bibbidi, which is kind of like a peachy, it's a peachy color. And then you've got Boo, which is kind of like a mauve, pinkish color. Those colors are gorgeous. They would be good as a topper or by themselves if you just want something to walk out the door with. But especially Bibbidi, I think that'll be gorgeous on some of those colors. Like Tiana with that color on top will be amazing during the fall. So I did go ahead, I already put on my foundation, I primed my face, I put contour, bronzer, and highlighter on because I don't have those for this today. To start out, I'm going to put this color Chip all over the eye to set the primer that I already laid down. I think I want to keep this look a little more on the pinky side. So I'm going to go in with the color Juju right here and put that in my crease just to kind of give me a good transition color. Now I'm going to use this color Enchanted Rose. I'm going to put that on the outside corner and sweep it into my Now I'm going to take the color Fairy Godmother. I'm going to put that in the middle right here. I'm going to put it more towards the inner corner into the center. For the outside corner, I'm going to use the color Beast. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the color, so this is Love. For the under eye, I want to keep it fairly light. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the color Heigh-Ho. I'm going to go back in with the color Juju in my crease and just blend everything together. I'm gonna go do my eyeliner and mascara off camera and I will be right back. Alright, so now I've got my eyeliner and mascara on, and I'll be honest, when I started this video, I wasn't really sure what colors I was going to use, what it was going to end up looking like, and I'm actually really excited that it turned out the way it did. It's really sweet, romantic. It's just a subtle pink eye with that color Triton underneath just to bring it all together. It's not bam in your face, but it's like a subtle romantic, that's the only way I can explain it, is subtle and romantic, and it just, the camera doesn't do it justice. In person, it's just, it is, these colors are stunning. I'm thrilled that I got this palette. I'm glad that I got the Super Shock shadows. I'm bummed I didn't get the highlighter, but oh my, do you see that? It's just, I love these colors. This is gonna be my go-to palette when I go on vacation in October. Oh my god, it is October. So the colors in the eyeshadow palette are great. I do really like the Super Shock shadows. They're very creamy and buttery and they go on so great. You just need your finger to apply them and they blend so well. All right, so for the lip, I'm gonna go in with the color Belle. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Make sure to click on that bell icon to get notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like it. If there's any comments, suggestions, or any questions, make sure to put those down in the comment box below. And like I said earlier, they got to choose my makeup on Instagram today. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, find it down in the information below and find me on Instagram. And then again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you later.